started filming again because for some reason the video just stopped. Probably because it took too long. So this train is stupidly slow, not moving, and rubbish. So, don't know what it's for. It's something interesting, probably not interesting at all because it's to do with trains and all things to do with trains are boring. Apart from the fact that all trains are blue, which is an actual real fact. Because it's impossible to create a train in a colour which isn't blue because the shape of trains repel all colours but blue. It's like a fact. Finally. Going over there for? That's what I didn't go that far. Trees. Trees. Lovely trees. And track. And rocks. They're taking their time. They're just waiting there. I just turn the flipping thing around. Can't be that hard. We're barely faster than walking, place. What a rubbish train. What a pointless video.